All right, so this one, same thing. Graph it, find out where the region is, highlight it, and then also, find the corner points if necessary. All right, so the first one, solve for y. So y is going to be greater than or equal to, and then we have a minus 2 divided by 3, plus 3 goes into that 4. Okay, no problem. Here we divide, and so we have y is going to be less than or equal to. Now, if we take the x over, it's going to become positive 1/3, and then we divide by 3, that's going to be plus 1. And then we have this weird one. Y is going to be between everything between 0 and 5. So let's plot these and see what that really looks like. So again, we're really only in this probably region over here, or actually we can be in any region because it's doesn't have limits. So we have 4. So let's put our 4 here. We're going to go down to right 3, and so it's going to kind of do something. Well, if we'd go through the point like that. And here we have y is going to be greater than or equal to negative 2/3 x plus 4. So graphing that with a color, that's going to be, everything up there. All right. Now let's go back and draw another line. So now we have, that's the next here, at 1. So that's going to be here. And we're going to go up 1 and 3. So it's going to go something like that. And here we want y is less than or equal to 1/3 x plus 1. And so if we change colors, I don't know, let's do orange this time. It's going to be less than that one. And so that's going to be down. Okay. And our last one is going to be the unique one. So it's everything basically between 0 and 5. So this one was a 4, right? And so it's going to be up, let's see, that was 0, 4, yeah. And so it's going to be somewhere up here. I don't know. Let's call that 5 there. So that's going to be our 5, and it's going to be everything between 0 and 5. So maybe let's make that blue. So it's going to be everything kind of from there to there. And if we notice, maybe let's highlight what actually is the case. Yeah, we can use yellows, fine. Okay, well, here we have blues. Then it starts going blue and red. Down here is blue and the orange color. But the only place that actually is everything is kind of from there to there to there to there and everything out here. That looks to be what it is. Okay, that's going to be our region. And because of, oops, because of that, so this one's going to be unbounded, right? And now we need to have what points? Well, we're going to need that point. We're going to need that point. And we're going to need that point. So those are kind of the points we're going to need. And so, I don't know which is the easiest way to do that. We could plug in things, or we could actually use our calculator and kind of see what that is. So let's try our calculator. So clear that, clear that, clear that. And so we had what? A minus 2 divided by 3x. And then we had plus 4. And then we had a 1 divided by 3x plus 1. And then we had also that y is equal to 5. We're just going to say y equals 5 because that's going to be our kind of our upper limit here. And so what we need is we need this point, and this point. So first things first, let's do the intersections. Um, yeah, blue and red, we could do that. So that one's going to be a 3, 2. So that corner point there is 3, 2. We can do another corner point at 5. Now we'll do black and not blue, but red. And that gives us a point here, 12, 5. And then our last one is going to be here. And so that one is going to be a value of 0. And okay, so we have to kind of highlight upper and lower. Okay, so that's kind of an upper. That's a lower. And so 6, 0 is going to be that one. So coming back over here. All right, so where's this writing thing at? Oh, there it is. 6 0 we said. That one was 3 2, and that was what, 12 5. So now we know our 3 points that are actually on it, and then everything else to the right. So everything going that direction, unbounded. All right, so that solves that one. So let's stop there and we'll come back for one last one.